developers, welcome back to our channel Hi-Fi Tech and Entertainment. In my previous video already I showed you how to create a table and how to create an ABAP class and how to test the data, all the things, right? So in today's video what we are going to explore is CDS based service creation. For that, what we have to do is first we'll create a CDS based data model and we will create a project view and we'll do the service building. Then we can test the application. So let's get started. The first step what we are going to take is to define the CDS based data model. For that, select the application, new, other ABAP repository object. There, here we have to do data definition. In this data definition, we have to give the some name of your application. For that, our application is a travel, right? So I'm going to give some naming convention. Description, this is the data model, right? So data model for travel. Click on next. Here it will show a transport request what we created previously. Select the transport request, click on finish. So once you click on that, it will add the associations, fields, UI semantics and the root node to be added to your data definition. So here we have to write some code. So guys, here I maintain some associations. So within this agency, customer and currency, we are going to add some more data. That's why I maintain these things here. And these are the key fields what were added to the table. So based on the table, we added all these elements. So you can see here within the associations we maintain 3 and within the elements these are the total elements. So this like this we have to define our data. So your CDS view travel booking is defined now. Now you can use and manipulate the data in your database. What you have to do before going to that, click on save. Then you have to activate it. Now it's activated. In case if you miss it there, what you have to do is Control F3 to activate this. The next step what we are going to do is project view we have to create for the travel. For that, right click, new, other, ABAP repository. Then here we have to give such data definition. Click on next. Here same we have to give the name. So this is the project view for travel, right? You have to maintain description like project for travel. Click on next. It will show you the transport. You have to use the same transport. Finish. So here we are going to add our data definition. What here we have created data model, right? The details we are going to add it here. So guys, here in my project view, I added the data model view and I maintain some hidden columns, line items, everything here. If you see, this is the agency name and same way added some of the line item positions here. So based on this, we maintain the serious service. Okay. Now the project is created and it includes the all UI annotations. So this project is a subset of the fields of the travel data model which is relevant to our travel booking application. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a service definition. For that, new, here we have to extend this within the code data. We have a data definition. We have to extend it. So right click, new. Here we have an option called new service definition. Once you click on that, you have to give a name. .c. This is travel, right? So I'm going to create it travel. Please maintain same naming conventions for all places. Service definition for travel. Then click on next. The reference object is inactive. So, sorry, I missed. We need to activate the object first. For that, Control F3. Yes, now it is activated. Now I'll create a service. New service definition. GUI. Yes. Next. Yeah, you can see the transport here. Click on finish. So in this service definition, we have to add we have to add the all these two things here. For that, there will be a code. So this is the code to we maintain the all service definition things here. If you want to add remainings also, we can add it. Currently I'm going to use only travel, right? So we can use it here, this one. Next step, what we are going to do is we have to save it, and also don't miss to activate. Once you activate this, then the service building need to create. So guys, we created the data model and we created the project view and we created the service definition. The last step, what we are going to create the service building. For that, right click on your service definition, click on new service building. So for this itself, we can create multiple services also. Give naming convention for that. See, so same naming convention, I'm going to maintain it here for easy understanding purpose, and give description as a service building for travel. If it isn't different, we can use it. So this is a service definition for that. Then here we're going to specify a building type, which OData you want to use. So I'm going to use OData UI. Click on next, finish. The service building is already created, so I will use different name. This one is also there. Yes. Okay. Finish. Yes. You can see here. So here what we have to do is we have to activate your service, then publish. To enable activation, now your service building is created. Now you're able to see your service with entity sets. Everything we can see it here. Add service definition already we added. So within the service building, we can see your service building, whatever you created now. Once you select it, right click and you can activate if it is not activated. Once you activate this, here we have an option called publish. Now the publish operation is in progress. Once it is done, your service is ready. So like this way, we have to create your CDS service. This service, we are going to use it in our Fury elements. So in your ABAP trailer account, we can use this service and we can create a Fury application. So that video already I have done in my previous blogs. Please go through it. If you have any doubts, don't forget to comment. So now you are good to create an CDS view creation and Fury app configuration and deployment. In next video, I will guide you how to write a test cases, OPA test case and unit test case. Guys, this is the service URL. Once you run this service URL, you can see the data. Yes. So this way, these all are the entities and all the things you can do it here. Entity sets and the associations. So in next video, I will guide you how to write an OPA and unit test cases. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.